In example 3 reads, if 1/5 pupils in a class are boys, what percentage are girls? What this means is solution that if 1/5 means 1/5 of the pupils, let the pupils be P. If 1/5 of them are boys, what percentages are girls? Now, all you need to understand is this. That is, if you divide the whole pupils in that class into 5, one part of it is said to be boys, while the other parts are said to be girls. We are asked to find the percentages of girls. But before we do that, we need to know the fractions that are girls, and then if we have it in fraction, we can then easily convert it to percentages. So if 1/5 of the pupils are girls, are boys, how many will be girls? So if 1/5 are boys, then we have it that 1 minus 1/5 are said to be girls. So we can find the percentages of those that are the fractions of those that are girls by subtracting 1/5 from 1. That gives us the fractions of those that are girls. Okay, and thereafter we can then use it to find the percentages of those that are girls. So 1 minus 1/5 is said to be 4/5. So we have it that 4/5 of P are said to be girls. Now, for us to get the percentages of those that are girls is for us to multiply 4/5 by 100. So 4/5 times 100/1 gives us the percentages of those that are girls. 5 can divide itself and 100 20 times. So this is said to be 4 times 20 is said to be 80%. So it therefore means that 80% of the class or of the pupils are said to be girls. Also, you can get for you to get the percentages of those that are girls, instead of you looking for the fractions of those that are girls, you can first of all find the percentages of those that are boys, subtract it from 100%, that gives you the percentages of those that are girls, because the percentages of those that are boys plus that of girls makes it 100%. So if girls are 80%, as we have it on the board, it therefore means that the boys are 20%. But you can also look for the percentages of those that are boys, subtract it from 100, and that gives you the percentages of those that are girls. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take the next example.